And about that, I was freaking correct. Every time they do something like that, they always issue something. Here we go.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana.
Let's out again. Might as well.
DeSoto, Natchitoches, Red River, and Sabine. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Zooali, or 25 miles south of Mansfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I forgot I gave
Source,
this broadcast a little
indicated.
delay, so it's going to take a little.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manny, Zooali, Noble, Fisher, and Toledo Bend Reservoir North. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish, Sabine, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Ringgold, or 23 miles southeast of Bossier City, moving east at 10 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Ringgold. Hazard, baseball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Ringgold, Lucky, Castor, Bienville, Jamestown, and Lake Mistinlo South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, and Red River. Severe thunderstorm watch number 140 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, and Red River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now I know they will issue.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 140 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, and Red River. Severe thunderstorm watch number 140 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Texas, Harrison, and Panola. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area.
Wow, severe weather
may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 140 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following.
There it is.
Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles east of Ringgold, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Bienville Parish, including the following locations: Castor, Lucky, Liberty Hill, and Bienville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Bienville, Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
I just realized the sage rig automatically turns on itself after an alert. I never knew that.